Moving to the Slides tab, you will see we have all options available to us. This is because we are making changes that affect the entire story or lesson. There are 4 sections: Slide, Quizzing, Record, and Publish. The Slide section allows you to add various content slides. This could be based on a template you've created and saved on your hard drive. A slide from Articulate's content library, importing a slide or slides from a different lesson, or just inserting a brand new slide. One thing we've not mentioned yet is that some of the icons will have a small black down arrow or triangle to the right of the icon's name. If you just select the icon, you will receive the icon's default response. For the new slide icon, this means you will get a new slide using the layout of the slide you most recently worked on or have selected in your story. But when you select the down arrow, you will be able to select the option you want. For inserting a new slide, you will be able to see all of the master slide layout options. The second section is the quizzing section. Where the first section was about inserting a new content slide, this section is about inserting a pre-programmed knowledge check style slide. You also have the ability to insert a slide to let the learner know how well he or she did on the knowledge check, and even to insert a complete quiz bank that randomly selects questions you have created. The third section will again allow you to insert a screen capture video slide. The last section is the Publish section. You are able to find the Publish section as the last section on each and every tab. This is one of the hidden strengths of Storyline, the ability to do the same thing multiple ways from multiple places.